Looking for a lightweight dual sport that can hit the trails and still cruise comfortably on the street? The 2026 Kawasaki KLX300 might just be your perfect middle ground. It's simple, capable, and more refined than ever. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest bikes to help you ride smarter and make confident choices. Design. Right off the bat, the 2026 KLX300 sticks to the classic dual sport formula: no fluff, just function. The updated graphics and color options give it a clean, modern look while staying true to Kawasaki's off-road heritage. It's tall, narrow, and purpose-built, with a seat height that's approachable for most riders and a lightweight chassis that inspires confidence both on and off the pavement. Performance. Under the tank, you've got a 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled four-stroke single, smooth, responsive, and surprisingly fun. It's not about brute power here, it's about usable performance. Whether you're tackling tight single-track or riding across town, the KLX300 delivers predictable throttle response, solid mid-range torque, and a 6-speed transmission that keeps things versatile. Features and technology. For 2026, Kawasaki keeps it simple but smart. The bike features fuel injection for easy starts and consistent performance in varying conditions. The long travel suspension, 43mm fork up front and a uni-track shock in the rear, soaks up trail bumps without sacrificing road comfort. You also get front and rear disc brakes, optional ABS, and a basic digital dash with all the info you need, nothing you don't. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Kawasaki KLX300 the perfect do-it-all dual sport? If you value reliability, lightweight agility, and real-world versatility, it's definitely worth a look. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, share it with a fellow rider, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, no-nonsense bike content every week. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the trail.